Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, we're rocking a wrench in here on Friday. Husqvarna 350 BT backpack blower. My wife picked this up at a garage sale. It was freaking epic. I didn't make a video initially because I was just elated with excitement. She picked up a Makita cutoff saw, a Stihl chainsaw, and this backpack blower for $300. Everything was running as it should. The only problem child was this. Okay? Backpack blower per se. And it runs. Now, the cutoff saw I sold in less than 48 hours. And the Stihl chainsaw I sold that day. The chainsaw was sold for $250. The cutoff saw for $650. And we just have this left. Is this in the stop position? So let's get this out. So obviously, we can't saw it like that. It's missing all these pieces. This is broke here. It's missing the thing that holds it here. So the only thing I can do is order the whole assembly. This is your part number, 577261401. This was a pain in my ass to find. But, perseverance, good to go. Now, I don't know if I just want to replace everything or just undo this housing and swap everything. You know what I'm saying? Because then that makes it easier. Or should I just kind of do the right thing, per se, and just feed everything over? Because I'm not saying it's a pain in my ass, right? But it's the long road ahead. You know what I mean? Everything's got to go through here, because everything works. Right? You guys can see that. Everything works. I'm just trying to see if it's easy. We gotta undo two things. You gotta undo the carburetor. I'm just gonna swap everything over. So let's open up this housing. Let's see what I'm getting myself into. Or, we're just going to replace everything. We'll do it for you guys. Do it for the tube. So everything should be pretty simple, right? Everything should be held on by torque screws. Right? Correct? I hope. So let's undo our air filter housing first. Let's see what we got so we can get at least a good view of this throttle cable for you guys. Alright, that's our throttle cable. Let's see. Because this, if you guys see here, this is threaded, but this one isn't. Okay, so that pulls right out. Okay, so that's perfect. So there's this cap. Right? This little cap that just needs to come off. So let me get a little flat tip screwdriver. This cap has to come off. So that cap just popped right off. Right? And here's a throttle cable that's exposed. So we'll just turn this. Come on. I have to turn this by hand. You see that? So I'm turning and pushing at the same time. Come on, baby. Here we go. We're free. That starts the throttle. No, don't go back. Throttle cable out. Alright. Now that goes through a series of clips. You guys can see the clips. See that 1 and 2 right there. So that's a Torx. We don't need this. We could remove this. We will undo these Torx. See that? Screw there. Okay. And we could just pull these butt connectors out. 1. Come on. Nice and easy. When you pull them out, you want to make sure you get a grip on the other side. 2. Okay. We could stretch this clip a little bit. And put that to the side. Okay, now we got to do the same to this here. Alright, so I'm actually a liar. This is actually the easiest. Okay. Now the whole assembly goes out. So we got to open this up. And free. Say goodbye. We're going to get our new assembly. And we're going to fish it through the blower, like so, come all the way around. Okay. I'm going to do these clips last. We're going to set that aside. Now we're going to have to hook this back up. Now see, this is great. Instead of doing red and black, which they have, they actually have male and female, so this is idiot proof. So you stick the male, the penis, into the female, the JJ. Basic anatomy. No transgender here. This is science. Don't give me that nonsense. So that's that. Hopefully you put that in nice and tight. Now the female, the vajayjay, goes into the male. The female is the aggressor on this one. That's nice and tight. Okay. Now we're going to go around. And just like that, we're going to feed the cable through here. Come on. Come on, baby. Don't get stuck. She is stuck. Why are you stuck? This is just, I guess, per se, trial and error. Here we go. See that? Pulls right through. So you gotta stick this all the way in. Let's loosen. This here. See how I'm moving this? Okay. Now we're going to turn. Right here. And that's it, we're free. Then we're going to take our cap that we just took off, remember? Press it right back in to keep that throttle. Now you don't have to put this cap on, but obviously they have it there as a safety. Okay. Now let's check if we have everything hooked up right before we start running the cables. So I'll stop. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So wow, believe it or not, this is a lot easier than I thought. Which I'm happy about. So we're gonna have to clean this. So let's put this all back together. And we are going to route our cables. So let's do this. Now, like I said, so when my wife goes to garage sales, she does whatever she does. But a couple that works together excels and stays together for the most part. I mean, we work it out. My wife is very smart, no doubt about it. It's probably one of the reasons why I married her. She is trained, or she just knows that when she goes to garage sales, it doesn't hurt to ask questions. Or when you see something, it doesn't even hurt. I tell you guys, ask questions when you go on garage sales. Right? You have any power equipment for sale? Or if are you selling anything else that maybe they forgot to leave something out? And I'll go from there. Just trying to figure out why this isn't going all the way in. So that's tightening. Tighten the bottom. So remember, we're going to clean this. These are reusable. We can clean this in the sink. Let's get this mounted the way it should. So now that we have all of this in there, you can go about putting these clips back in. Right? So we're going to open this. Let's slide this clip. See that? So we can expose the eyelid. See? Right? And then we're just going to close it back. Just like that. Honestly, man, I really can't believe how easy this was. For some reason, compared to other blows where you got to remove the housing and stuff like that, this was very enjoyable. Okay, I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to tighten this sucker down right here. Okay, so that's good. Now we have to reattach this to the blower. Like so. So we're going to have to cut the zip tie. I don't know if this is factory or not, but we'll see. Maybe it is. So now this is free, the old housing. Maybe I'll put this on eBay. Because this was 45 bucks. Now we have the whole throttle control assembly. So undo this here. I have a feeling it went here. so. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, yeah, this is more like it. Probably missing a clamp. Yeah, see, this goes here, and we're missing a clamp here, it feels like. So we can definitely take care of that. This will go back in here. And we will thread that. I feel like we're definitely missing a clamp for some reason. Let's see what I got. Alright, so this is a clamp off a Red Max, 8500. Tube's a lot bigger than this, but let's see if I can tighten this down to where it actually makes a difference. Just want to undo the tube here. Slide this through, see how much bigger that is? We're going to clamp this, and we're just going to see as tight as we can go. You guys are laughing like, you know, I use my walking tools. I don't even have one in reach right now. So we're just going to tighten this by hand, and hopefully it goes all the way down tight enough where we're good to go. That'll be freaking awesome. Alright, look at that. It's perfect. Okay, now we're going to get our bikes again. Right? It's a cool little tech trip. So you know you guys can trim these? Now, if you guys follow my Instagram, you actually know that I posted about my wife finding this stuff. But because of my work schedule, I really couldn't do a YouTube video on it. Because it was just kind of one of those, hey, look what I found. And it was kind of me one of those like, holy shit, what did you find? Or, oh my god, look at what you found. Alright, so that goes here. This go here. Okay, so now, right, we don't need that zip tie. That zip tie was there. See this? That's what that hook is for. You don't need the sticker either. So let's see how she does. How she does. Choke off. Whoops. cruise control works. Alright, man. Success, success, success. Pretty easy. Maybe I'll put this for sale on eBay. Who knows? So let's just prep this thing ready for sale. Right? Remember the trick I told you guys? So we're going to. Look, somebody did this here, so now we have to do it to these. Some tape. Let's wrap it around. So the tubes don't blow away. I only do this not on every machine I sell, but just on certain machines. Like I said, we're going to use these tricks that the landscapers use against them, just to improve our safety. See that? I'm going to tape that here too. Uh-oh. All right. Next rule. Yeah. Now we got this fresh roll. We are done. Down, side to side. Motion's good to go. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys in the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.